So today we're doing an unboxing of the fall FabFitFun box. I like the box. It's a little small. I do like that now they don't have that like shiny stuff on it, so it's more like easily recyclable. But I already know I'm not gonna like this box, to be honest. If there's one thing I was kind of looking forward to, I've been really bummed with FabFitFun. I think I shared with you guys last time around. They convinced me to renew for the year because they gave me a free item, which I didn't even like, so I'm selling it on Poshmark. I think I already sold it, actually. I think someone bought it, but it was like a purse that just like I wasn't a fan of, and just like, yeah, I haven't been happy with them. I did share it on Instagram with them, and honestly, I made a poll on Instagram of like who gets FabFitFun has been like pretty disappointed lately, and like everyone said yes. So I shared with them like what my concerns were. Was like the skincare stuff is honestly too fragranced. Also the house stuff is stuff everyone already has, like, you know, spatulas, everyone has that. Like, I prefer things that are a little bit more unique. Like, I think that one time I got like a cheese board, I loved it. I got my Lazy Susan for my table, I thought that was super fun. But like a lot of the stuff is like people already have these basics, you know. So I thought I would unbox this one. I already know that when I picked my items I was like, ugh, like I don't want these. So I probably will be selling a lot of them on Poshmark, so if you're interested, go ahead and check that out. But yeah, I wanted to open it and unbox anyway, just because why not? That's what everyone does. I am like excited just to do it because it is exciting to unbox, but it came pretty quick this month, or this quarter. Let's just see, I don't even remember, and that's how not excited I am. So we're going to crack the baby open. I do like the box, I gotta be honest. The designs are pretty fun. But for the price, like I'm just not impressed with the quality of products. I feel like some things like the brand is more expensive and it's just not worth it. You know, it's something that I wouldn't spend that much money on, like even with the cost of the box being cheaper than the items, you know what I mean? And all the products are fragrance. Like I'm pretty sure I got new eye cream in this one, but it's fragrance. Like who wants to put fragrance on their eyes? Like, what is this? What's going on? Let's open this bad boy if I can. We have the Daily Harvest coupon, which I might actually use. $40 off your first box. I might use that. Those things are supposed to be pretty good. And then we have a gift card for wine. We have the magazine as always. And let's get into this stuff. This is one of the only things I was semi-interested in, I think. It's a Necessaire body wash. I just constantly see stuff about this on Instagram, so I was like, ooh, cool. It's a daily body wash, multivitamin cleanser. Cleanse, nourish, soften gel to scent eucalyptus, which I'm not that excited about. I'm not a fan of eucalyptus. What else? We have apple fruit extract, orange fruit extract, lemon fruit extract, green tea, meadow foam, eucalyptus, lavender, ginger, orange, and patchouli. Climate neutral certified, so that's great. Yeah, so let's just open this sucker. It already is opened, so that's not like cool, you know. It's upside down, first of all. That's not what you want. It is a cute bottle, I gotta say. That's so cute and like fancy looking. Honestly, I'm like super picky with body wash. I'm like very into big heavy cream ones that you can shave with. This doesn't seem like that. It looks like it opens up here too, so I don't really know. Oh, so you squeeze it and it comes out the top, you open it there. It's a strong eucalyptus smell. It's not bad, honestly, but I'm more of a night shower person, so I feel like eucalyptus is more of like a day thing, but I'll definitely use it. Like, it might be nice. I like this. It's a little small for what the price would be. You know, I'm like, okay, cool, but if I got it for free, I'd be happy, but I didn't, you know, I still paid for it, so yeah. I love that these are recyclable now. Love that. Love that it's not those little paper strips. This, which is something I feel like a lot of people would be excited about, but again, it has fragrance in it. So this is a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer, hydrating and soothing, hyaluronic acid and antioxidants. My only reason for getting this was because I thought a lot of people might want to buy it on Poshmark, to be honest. It seems more like a day moisturizer, but my day moisturizer has SPF in it. So this says Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer is an oil-free daily moisturizer that perfects skin with lush, juicy hydration for a lasting, lit from within, watery glow. Prep skin for the day ahead. It says morning and night after serum. So I kind of don't want to open it because I feel like I'm going to want to sell it, but I guess I can do one pump. I don't know. Maybe I'll like it. Maybe I'll give it to a friend. I mean, I love that. Like, I mean, how could you not love that? That's adorable. It's a lotion. Can I smell it? Can I just smell it first? It smells like watermelon. So all, you know, let me just see how much fragrance is in here. We have peony, licorice, jasmine, cabbage, sweet potato, watermelon fruit, and watermelon fruit extract are two of the first ingredients, so that's kind of cool. I do think they're antioxidants. I think I may actually use this. Okay, looks like that's super lightweight and watery, you can see. So maybe someone more with oily skin would like it. It smells, I mean, it smells like a watermelon, like Jolly Rancher. It's cool. It smells really nice. You can see I have that glow now. I want to see how long it takes to kind of absorb. I do like the pump aspect. I think that makes it much more sanitary. Oh man, it smells so good, but I don't know if I want to put that on my face, you know? If this was a body moisturizer, I'd be all about that. You can definitely see the difference between this hand with nothing and that one with it. It's like definitely shinier. It absorbed. I mean, it doesn't feel sticky. It still smells though, so like I don't know, like I said about my face smelling like watermelon, but like I think I'm gonna keep it. So I mean, that worked out better than I thought it would, I guess. You know, I'm definitely gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it in here though, so it doesn't get any light until I'm out of my current moisturizer. I have a lot of moisturizers on deck, mostly from FabFitFun, to be honest. So those are two things that are like not my favorite, but also not disappointed in. So let's keep going. Okay, so we have the Glossier birthdaybalm.com. I'm actually gonna give this to someone as a gift because I'm allergic to this. It has beeswax. I'm allergic to that, but I know a lot of my friends like this, so I'm gonna give this as a gift. A detangler. 7 seconds detangler leave-in conditioner from the brand Unite. Honestly, this looks like something that they would have at the hairdresser. It says, within 7 seconds, your tangles will be gone. Your hair will start to feel alive again, nourished, fortified proteins, moisturizers, blah, blah, blah. Shampoo and condition with your favorite system. Rinse, towel dry, spray 4 to 6 times throughout your hair, comb through, do not rinse. Okay, so I definitely gonna use this. I haven't been buying any like hair products, so I thought this might be a good one. I mean, I have a lot of products like this. I do want to give it a sniff because I feel like for hair products I'm down with some fragrance as long as it's not something I'm allergic to. It's a good size, I gotta say. I just want to see if it smells like a hairdresser. It does. It smells like you went to the hairdresser, which I like that smell, so I'm not mad about this actually. This is something I'm happy with, but at the same time I do feel like I could get this from TRESemmé for like $7, so yeah. So I'm not as bummed as I have been, but I'm not as excited as I have been either. Is that fair? Okay. This is dumb. Eye drops. I don't use eye drops. I don't know who I'm going to give these to. They work in 1 minute, last up to 8 hours. Redness relief. What's this? Calm and replenish balance wonder eye cream. Hyaluronic acid and witch hazel. Why would you put witch hazel in an eye cream? I don't understand that. It says 100% natural. 100% natural isn't always good, FYI. Moment of balance, cucumber infused wonder eye cream. Okay, let's look at the ingredients. Vegetable, witch hazel. Like, witch hazel isn't even honestly good for you, so I'm kind of bummed it's like the third ingredient. Coconut oil, cucumber, cloudberry, spruce, knot, rose hip, chamomile, benzoin, geranium, rose. Oh, I'm allergic. Lavender, lemon, carrot, grape, vitamin E, aloe vera, sunflower. Okay, citronelle, limonene, like all these things that really shouldn't be going near your eyes. But I'm allergic to, it's vegan, that's fun, but I'm allergic to rose, so that will be getting sold. Bummer. I think these are the last two things, which I'm like sort of excited and not excited about at the same time. This is the Living Proof shampoo and conditioner. They're so tiny. For the price, not cool. At the same time, I haven't had good luck with Living Proof in the past. There was like one product I've liked from them, but I am, you know, I'm getting through my shampoo and conditioners and not buying more, so I guess this is cool. It's SLS free. I guess it's supposed to thicken. It says lightweight shampoo engineered to gently cleanse without stripping hair, leaving it fuller, softer, and shinier. Now, I've been washing my hair every day like a crazy person. Don't know why, ever since I moved, I just have been. This does smell really nice. It smells like expensive stuff they use at the salon, so I hope I get a good vibe with this. It obviously does have fragrance, citronelle, limonene, all that stuff, but you know, it might be decent. It's definitely small though, so I feel like unless you have really short hair, like you're gonna use these really quick. But they do smell nice, and I'm not like upset about them. So I think that's actually it. Like I literally only got hair and skincare products this time, which I'm not super bummed about, but I like just wish that they had more fun like household products. Like that's some of my favorite stuff I've gotten, like that Lazy Susan and stuff. I'd love to get some more stuff like that that isn't just stuff that everyone already has. I just felt like some of the stuff was just super unnecessary. Like, I like when this kind of stuff is like, wow, I would have bought that anyway. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just kind of like, yeah, right now. I could be more bummed, I could be less bummed. I'm not like mad about it. I have been like angry with stuff before, but this is definitely all the stuff I picked, so I'm not that mad. But yeah, I'm kind of just like in between. Like, it could be way more exciting, and it should be way more exciting in my opinion. So you're spending like $200 plus a year for this box. Like, it should be better in my opinion, but it's not terrible. This is definitely not the worst one I've gotten. But like I said, the facial skincare stuff, I would love for it to just have less fragrance. I mean, I'm excited kind of about that watermelon one because it smells really good, but at the same time, like, the eye cream, like, why would there ever be fragrance in an eye cream? That's something I don't understand. So is this worth the amount of money I paid for it? Yes, but like not in a happy way. So that's my vibe with the fall box from FabFitFun. I'm gonna leave my link below, I think, if I can do that, so you can check it out if you're interested. Maybe you love this kind of stuff. Yeah, that's it. And also, guys, if you are curious, my glasses, these are from Spexcart. I did a whole video with them, so you can check that out. But they're so cute, they're amazing. They have the best prescription. Like, I don't know how they did it online, but these were gifted to me, and I did do a sponsored video with them. And this is just like, I love them so much. I can't believe how quality they feel. So many of the glasses I've gotten, especially online with my prescription, make me dizzy. They're like overly strong, but they're the right prescription. These did it awesome. They fit my face, even though I only did it online. And they just feel so great, and they're sustainable. So awesome there. So definitely check them out. I'll leave them below as well. But yeah, how cute. But I will see you guys in another video very soon.